welcome to Viksha's All-in-One channel. Today I'm going to do a poha, and let's begin our recipe. Please watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you a secret tips in this poha recipe. So let's begin our recipe. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of oil. This is a big spoon I'm taking. So I'm adding 2 spoons of oil with this. Groundnuts. I'm adding a handful of groundnuts. This is a chana dal I'm adding, so a little bit of chana dal. This is a urad dal I'm adding. This is a mustard seeds I'm adding. This is a jeera I have been added. These are all the things that I have been added. I am just frying all these ingredients together. Now I am going to add dry chili and green chili in this oil. I am going to add this hing powder to this. Just mix it well. This is a poha puliyogre, so I am just going to tell you tips in this. Please watch this video till the end because it's a very delicious recipe that you can try at your home. So I am just adding a curry leaves in this. This hing is very good for digestion and the aroma is very nice, and if you add this hing to any recipe like puliyogre like that aroma is very nice, and it is very good for health, and it is helpful for digestion. And this all ingredients has been fried. So I'm adding this MTR puliyogre powder. This will be available in all the supermarkets where you can purchase. So I'm just adding this MTR puliyogre powder. So you have to keep the stove in sim mode. So I'm adding 4 spoons of MTR puliyogre powder. You have to mix it well, and after that you have to add a tamarind juice that I am going to add, like approximately this is a 250 ml of tamarind juice that I am going to add. Add a tamarind juice, and after that I am adding a full spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good for health. It is an it consists of anti-agents, so that's why using a turmeric powder in preparing recipes is very good for health. So I'm expecting that you people also will use more turmeric powder in your recipes also. So I'm also adding a salt, like approximately 2 spoons of salt I'm adding. 2 spoons of sugar to balance the taste. I have to mix all the ingredients together. This is a soaked poha, so you have to soak this poha for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So just wash this poha for one time, and second time you have to soak for 2 to 3 minutes, and after this it will become like this. Poha will become like this. So this is the thing that you have to do before doing poha puliyogre. So I have kept it ready, poha, so to mix in that. So this is this is boiling, so let it cook for a while, until the oil blows up. So once the oil blows up, then we'll mix this poha in that. So we'll mix this poha in that, and the recipe will be ready. See, this oil is blowing up, so you can take it out. This oil is just coming out like this. So at this point of time you have to add that poha. So poha is a fiber food. If you eat a fiber food, it is very like a good for health, and it is helps in digestion and all. So it decreases your constipation problem also. So that's why always doctors used to prefer eat a fiber food if you have a constipation problem. So that's why it's better to eat a fiber food, more fiber food. So more fiber food, it will be available on oats and this poha. So that's why I'm just preparing a poha recipe for dinner today. So I'm just adding this poha into this. So I have been added a poha to this puliyogre mix. So I'm mixing all the ingredients together. I'll mix all the ingredients together and I'll show you the final outcome of this puliyogre recipe, and I'll dish it out and I'll get back to you. Taste. Yeah, this is what the final outcome of puliyogre mix. So see, this is what the final outcome of pohe puliyogre. So please like my channel, please try this recipe at your home. This is a unique recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.